Hello, everyone. So those who are watching the video for the first time and they are not able to understand what I'm talking about here, for them, I have created a section called short courses under the playlist. So you can go back, watch a couple of videos from that section, and you will understand that how do I exactly analyze the markets. And you will also understand that, what I am exactly talking about here in the daily analysis videos. So with that, let's just start the analysis. So great recovery to today after opening. So we open near the low of previous day's candle. We came back down, touched the MA, and completely reversed and almost closed at the high of the previous bar. Now, in a sense, this market has, or today's market has kind of shocked most of the traders, mainly because yesterday we have the big engulfing kind of red bar, and this bar has formed near the high and close to the resistance area. So it was pretty much expected that we will have some kind of follow through of this bar, but that did not happen, and prices open near the low. It sets up the expectations to go short in the market. However, after some time, it immediately reversed back up and closed at its high. So that shows the power of the buyers. That also shows that this market is not going to come down easily. Now what we have, resistance around 17,490. However, we also have a round number nearby, which is 17,500, which I think this market will definitely try to reach. What my expectation from this market is that instead of just opening higher and giving a breakout from the resistance, if it will spend some more time here, consolidate here, maybe pull back, and then give a breakout, I would be more confident to go long in the market. However, that doesn't mean that that we should not go long. For intraday, based on the patterns, we can of course go long in intraday trading and scalping. But for holding purposes, I think this market has already given up so much, and now it should rest and consolidate, create a strong support around these areas, and then give a breakout. That would give more confidence in the pattern. So for intraday, we are near the resistance zone in the hourly time frame. So if you remember from the yesterday's video, I have mentioned that if prices will open somewhere near the support zone, and we will go long if it will give a good strong intraday bullish pattern, and that is what it has formed. So it has given a very nice entry. If you check this out in the 5-minute time frame, so this was the first candle here. It came back down, retest the lows, created a double kind of or double bottom kind of a pattern here, and then give a breakout here, right? So very nice bullish pattern here for intraday traders. So as I mentioned, we need more, we want prices to spend some more time here. That would boost the confidence instead of just breaking out, because this market is moving. It has already moved up so much, so it would be better if it will spend more time here and then give a breakout. So Banknifty is a very nice bottoming tail bar it has formed here. it opened even below the low, below the close of this bar, dipped down, and then it came back up with Nifty. So intraday, very nice patterns. Now we are right at the resistance, as I have mentioned it yesterday. So again, we are near the resistance area. So it would be better if prices spend some more time here. And I think if it will break out tomorrow, if it will gap up and give a higher opening, then I think there are more chances that it will come back down, creating some kind of a topping tail bar. And based on the overall structure, the overall the arrangement of bars, it looks like that probably or most likely in this expiry, prices may settle down below the resistance area and then probably give a breakout. And I think that would be better for the market as well, because after this bar, after this bottoming tail bar, obviously the expectations are higher. Obviously the expectations are that prices will go higher, moving above the 50 MA and 200 MA. However, this market has moved so much already, and now we are near the resistance. We already have things which are going on across the world. So the better point or the better scenario would be that the market should spend time. I'm repeating the same thing over and over again, mainly because this is what the right thing, this is what should be the right way of trading at the moment. And if prices will break out directly, it might come back down, because prices might the selling might get increased here, because just imagine that those who have buy at the support and or at the breakout will definitely gonna jump out of their positions. And if prices will create some kind of support around these areas, that will boost confidence. More people will create positions here, and that will even fuel the prices to the upside. For intraday, again, because we are near the resistance, and if prices open gap up or above the resistance, then we should wait for the right bearish pattern, and then we will take the short position here, because selling might increase, although this market is not extended at all, right? We are exactly at the 20 MA, and this MA is also rising. But because this market is kind of stabilized here, and in my opinion, if it will gap up, it will at least in the morning session, it might come back down, which will give a shorting opportunity. However, if the price opens within a range and then again create a bullish pattern, then we will definitely wait for this resistance to get breached, right? So once the prices will open and close above, we want a bar. Let me just clean this up for you. So we want a bar that will give a close above the resistance. Only then we will go long in the market. So that's about it in this analysis. Hope you have enjoyed. I have one request with you guys, that if you are really learning, if you are really enjoying the videos, please try to watch the complete video. That will give you, the entire perspective of the analysis. And if you are really enjoying it, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and please share it with your friends. Please support the channel. So bye for now. Take care.